Hello and welcome to episode 4 of Making Wing Chun Realistic. This time we're going to be looking at jump sal. So, first time we see jump sal is in Sinam Tao. We're going to drop our elbows and we get the correct position from here. The next time we see it is again in Sinam Tao. After we've done Tan Sal, we go 1, 2, but it's the same position. This jump sal is the one we use in Dan Chi. Shane does his Jing Jung, I do my jump sal. Then the next time we see it is from Chum Kyo. Do a double jump sal and then we continue forward. The main thing that we're looking at here is continuing to hit after using your jump sal. So a good drill to practice this, medium height jab, I cover and I just step in to hit. I cover and I just continue to move in. One more. Just getting the idea, we do both sides. If we go back to this side, if Shane actually throws this punch rather than the other punch, I still do the same thing, okay? However, there's one problem with this drill, is it's not very realistic. What we're going to look at next is maybe doing this from a fence position, not hugely threatening situation, but just maybe where we need to subdue someone. So to get this working, I'll start with some kind of fence, just keeping Shane off, and then to trigger my jump sal, he's going to go for something like he's trying to grab me around the throat, or grab my shirt, where I will use the jump sal to cover. Okay? I'll just use my jump sal to cover. One more. There we go, so I'm just using this to cover. We need to look at what's going to happen next. So from this position, it probably seems like it's easier for Shane to throw this one, and I will just continue forward. So let's uncover, and I hit again. Obviously, we're not talking about a high level threat here. We're looking at something that's a little bit more, I just need to control. Cover, and then just control. Keeping me off, I'm going to grab him and try and throw another punch. With his lead hand, I try and grab him, I try and throw another punch. So I come here, try and grab him, and it just doesn't matter. Thanks very much, see you next time.